Hello everyone, welcome to the market outlook for the week. And before going any further, wishing all of you all a very happy and a prosperous new year from Geojit Financial Services as well as myself, Gaurang Shah. Welcome to the market outlook for the week. Around about 11:30 this Monday morning, first day of the new year 2024. And markets have recovered from the lows that it started off. Remember, last week on Friday, last trading day of 2023, we had a little bit of red. 170 points, Sensex was down on Friday, and about 47 points, Nifty was down very marginally. This morning, when we resumed the trade for the first day of 2024, we had a little bit of weakness. But as I speak to all of y'all, around about 11:30, the recovery is visible on the street. Sensex is trading at about 72,210, down about 24 odd points. Nifty is trading at about 21,740. Uptick of about 9 points. Nifty Bank is trading at about 48,310, up about 12 odd points. Rupee dollar, crude oil, and of course the levels thereafter. So rupee is trading with a little bit of strength. 83.16 is the level on rupee, strength of about 4 paise, and on the crude oil, downtick, very comfortable levels, sub $80 a barrel, both of them. $77 a barrel is Brent and $71.03 to a barrel is NYMEX, and expected that one could see stagnancy at these levels on the crude oil prices. And on the rupee dollar front, expect a little bit of strength in the rupee towards 83 to a dollar, and that should also be a very narrow range bound kind of trade on rupee as well as on crude oil. On the markets, friends, we are going to see a curtain raiser for the third quarter earnings starting second week of Jan, possibly somewhere around 10th or 14th of Jan. We'll see the curtain raiser for third quarter earnings. Some amount of directional visibility can be possible from the third quarter earnings, depending upon sectorial and individual company performance, how the numbers are and how does the market take it. So expect a little bit of consolidation at these levels. Nothing major, at least for the next 1 week. Possibly we might try to make some head moves on the higher side, given the kind of visibility of fund flow that is likely to come into the market. So that's where we believe that there will be some amount of recovery on the street. Don't expect any kind of major sell-off, given the events which are lined up. There are no such negativities which could possibly see markets correcting to a great extent. But expect a little bit of profit booking, given that the kind of run-up that we've seen over the last maybe about fortnight or so. So what are the themes that one should look forward to in terms of investment ideas sectorially? So our understanding at Geojit is banking finance is going to dominate the spotlight and is going to be on everyone's radar when it comes to investment ideas, both public sector banks, private sector banks, as well as strong NBFCs, diversified microfinance companies and housing finance companies. So that's going to be the first sector. Second, IT as usual. We have been extremely positive on the IT sector, and we believe there is going to be some amount of turnaround on the earnings, not in the third quarter, but possibly fourth quarter and possibly next financial year. Autos, metals and cement, FMCG, these are the other three sectors, and our sense is that the dominance in terms of performance is likely to stay in the positive side for defense, power generation, power transmission, power equipments, as well as railway related stocks. Now all these three sectors that I just mentioned, defense, power generation, power transmission and distribution, and power equipments, including railways, one can possibly look at both public sector companies as well as private sector companies, and there is going to be tremendous amount of earning visibility from these sectors and companies associated with sectors, given the kind of order book that they already have, as well as the capability and capacity of execution, which will eventually transform into earnings, and that would possibly result in upgrades as we go forward from here on. So broadly a universe of about 6 to 7 sectors, and humble request is try to look at established names. Don't try to go and do something adventurous. Lesser known companies is absolutely no. Performance will come in from strong balance sheets and well managed companies. This is what our belief is, and hence we would request that focusing on this 6 or 7 sectors would be absolutely positive in terms of long-term investment idea. And in fact, as we, whenever we interact every week, we give you investment ideas. So the investment idea that we have, 2 investment ideas that we have, are from these sectors itself, which I have highlighted in terms of themes for 2024 and beyond. So the first one is from the auto sector, stock which has been performing not only today but even on Friday. It had good performance. Pure commercial vehicle manufacturing company. We have mentioned this name earlier also. Appropriate to reinforce our commitment given the kind of earning visibility. So Ashok Leyland is the stock from the auto pack that we are extremely positive of. The stock has also gained enough credibility in terms of earnings visibility, and hence re-rating is done on various parameters including price targets. So expect 225, 230 plus kind of levels on Ashok Leyland over medium to long term. And of course, earning visibility will definitely depend. If the earnings are good, then these targets get revised upwards. The second one is from the PSU Defense Stroke Capital Goods Engineering, you can call it BEL. This company also we have mentioned earlier, but again it would be appropriate to reiterate our commitment given the kind of earning visibility, especially in the last 2 odd months, the kind of orders BEL has got. Our sense is that it is only going to transform into a huge turnaround in the earnings as well as revision and target prices. So BEL is the second one from the public sector capital goods engineering stroke defense category, which we are extremely positive on. And let me tell you friends, these are all long-term investment idea on the fundamental side. Please don't try to have any kind of short to medium term calls on these companies. Have a longish time horizon. Don't commit everything at one time. Start with a small investment idea, and possibly on corrections you can definitely increase your investments over a longer period of time. Thank you very much for your patience hearing, and I'll see you again next week. Till then, please do take care of your health, and once again wishing all of you all a very happy new year. Thank you. Bye bye.